How to insert a subtitle file after a subtitle. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video and I want to insert a subtitle file after line 5. Just right-click on it and select Insert Subtitle After This Line and select your subtitle. Now the inserted subtitle timecodes automatically change to after line 5. But the rest of my original subtitle line's timecodes is not changed, and I need them to be after the last line of inserted subtitle. Select the rest of original subtitle lines, then go to Synchronization and select Adjust All Times. Here I want durations of selected lines to 1 minute and 34-17 seconds show later. And now the subtitle inserted after selected line, and the rest of line's time codes are adjusted correctly. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.